Hello and welcome. Today, we're checking out the Sundu Steam Iron, a powerful 1500W iron that heats up in just 15 seconds. It features a stainless steel Soleplate with true position axial holes for maximum steam output, perfect for both handheld steaming and traditional ironing. The iron includes an 11.84-ounce water tank, reducing the need for constant refills during your ironing session. With continuous steam of 25 grams per minute and a steam burst function, it easily removes even the toughest wrinkles from your clothes. Plus, it has self-clean and anti-calc features to maintain peak performance and durability. Safety is a priority with its 3-way auto shutoff and shake activation feature, which restores power without unplugging. Every unit undergoes rigorous testing to ensure top quality and performance for your home ironing needs. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.